Apple has opened March 2026 with a clear statement: the iPhone 17e is here. And it's more than a routine refresh. As the successor to the iPhone 16e, it arrives with focused upgrades that target performance, charging, durability, and camera output. This is a direct comparison. iPhone 17e versus 16e, breaking down exactly what has changed and what remains the same. At first glance, the biggest headline is the new A19 chip, replacing the A18. Both chips feature a 6-core CPU with 4 efficiency cores and 2 performance cores, plus a 16-core neural engine and GPU-accelerated machine learning. However, the A19 in the 17e delivers up to 2 times faster performance in certain tasks. The GPU remains a 4-core setup, 1 core less than the standard iPhone 17 and 16 models. Storage also doubles at the base level, now starting at 256 GB connectivity, sees a serious upgrade. The 17e introduces the new C1X modem, replacing the C1 in the 16e. The result is faster 5G speeds, Wi-Fi 7 support, and improved efficiency. Apple claims the C1X is up to 2 times faster than C1 and uses 30% less energy compared to the modem inside the iPhone 16 Pro. While full battery benchmarks are still pending, expectations remain close to 27 hours of battery life. Similar to the 16e, USB-C fast charging still reaches 50% in around 30 minutes. MagSafe finally arrives on the E model. The iPhone 16e was limited to 7.5 watts Qi charging. The 17e now supports 15 watts MagSafe, doubling wireless charging speed and unlocking compatibility with MagSafe wallets, stands, mounts, and Apple's new MagSafe cases. The display remains a 6.1-inch OLED panel at 60 Hz. There's still no ProMotion and no dynamic island. The notch stays along with Face ID. However, brightness increases to 1200 nits, and durability improves significantly. The new Ceramic Shield 2 is now on both front and back, with Apple claiming 50% tougher glass than competing smartphones, and 3 times stronger than the original Ceramic Shield used on the 16e. The aluminum frame remains, built with 85% recycled material, and the IP68 rating continues. A new soft pink color joins black and white. Camera hardware is largely shared. A 48-megapixel fusion camera with 2x quality zoom and 4K video at 60 FPS. The difference is in image processing. The 17e now captures 24-megapixel photos by default instead of 12 megapixels, improving detail retention. Next, Generation Portrait Mode recognizes people and pets, preserving depth data for editing after the shot. Additional background image enhancements are also expected via software updates. Satellite connectivity and crash detection remain standard. Sustainability efforts continue with 100% recycled cobalt in batteries. Pre-orders begin March 4th, with availability starting March 11th across more than 70 countries, including the US, UK, China, Japan, and Germany. Pricing is expected to start slightly above the 16e, positioning it firmly as Apple's upgraded entry point. That's the full breakdown of iPhone 17e versus 16e. See you in the next one. Goodbye.